Hi there, Steve again from Crawford, Constantly Crawford, one of those. I just want to jump on real quick and let you know of some things that are coming up to keep an eye out for. If you subscribe, thank you. If you don't, maybe you should, and hit that notification button so that when we get new videos out, you'll be notified of those new videos. But we're not just going to be focusing all on ice bath stuff. You know, we really made this channel so we could have fun with it, with our traveling, but also with our health ideas, what we do good, what we do bad in health, in our health. And it kind of turned into ice bath stuff the last few months because that's what I've been focusing on. But there's a lot of things coming up, like I just posted a short video of mushrooms. You know, it's amazing the health benefits of mushrooms. And so I started looking into that, growing those myself, and now I have like, well, I don't know, I probably have 100 pounds of mushrooms growing. And I'll probably dry them and grind them up and put them in coffee and do some other things, some healthy things with them, as well as just frying them up and eating them. But anyway, that's something to keep an eye out for. But also, Monica and I will be going on a, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 week road trip at the end of August all the way through September. And we've got a cruise in the middle of that out of Galveston, Texas. So we're just going to be taking a nice drive down to Galveston and then up through New Orleans to see some family. Fly back to North Carolina, I think, to watch one of my nephew's football games. But either way, just some new things that are coming I want you to keep an eye out for. I'm going to try to make this more of a well-rounded channel rather than something that's focused on one thing. So just keep an eye out. We'll post some stuff and get going on the things that we're doing to keep healthy. So and the things that we're doing to have a good time. So anyway, just follow us, like us, subscribe, whatever you do. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll get the next one out. Today I'm in the bath. We'll do about 7 or 8 minutes in. It's about 40 degrees, a little warmer because of the sun that's been out the last couple of days here. But the chiller's got it down to about 40, which is good enough. I'd like it a little colder, but I think 40 is going to work out fine. So anyway, if you haven't tried it, jump in an ice bath. It'll do wonders for your health. Anyway, take care. See ya.